Prairie Band Potawatomi Nation mobile app is now available on the App Store for iPhone and the Google Play Store for Android phones. To download the app, open the App Store or the Google Play Store and search Prairie Band Potawatomi Nation. The PBPN app should be the first one that appears in the search results. Once you download the app, open it and you should see a message asking you to allow push notifications. Be sure that you select Allow so that you receive messages sent out to all of the app users. If you accidentally press Don't Allow, you can change this in your phone's settings at any time. The app has a basic interface that lets you scroll through the different features. There's also a home bar at the bottom with shortcuts to key features such as news and events. To open a feature, click on the icon. Let's start with groups. The first time you open the groups feature, you will see a login page. This will let you sign up for a new user account. If you are a Prairie Band employee, you should sign in with your PBP email address. Once you have created a groups account, you will be able to join groups by searching a group code. Only approved Prairie Band employees will be able to create groups, so if you need the ability to create and manage groups, please contact the media department. Community members will be given the option of joining certain groups, such as a messaging and announcement group for the Boys and Girls Club. Many of the features in the app are linked to the nation's website. This allows you to view news, events, and the various informational pages all within the app. You can even access the tribal member portal and bill pay portal through the app. In addition, there is a directory feature that provides the email addresses of department directors, which may be difficult to find on the website. The app compiles all of these contacts into one feature that is searchable by name and department. All of the nation's social media accounts are also linked through the app's features. The official Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, and Twitter are all connected through the app. Finally, there are a few contact features in the app. The first is the general contact page, through which you can submit questions and comments, which will be received by the media department. Next, there's the tip line, which allows you to submit reports to tribal police and gives you the option to do so anonymously. Finally, there are emergency contacts that will connect you to an emergency service and tribal police. We are excited to share this app with the community and look forward to improving it. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions, please contact the media department.